Is it possible to transfer skins and progress from PS4 to Xbox?
Hello everyone. Today, we are addressing a very common question among gamers. Is it possible to transfer skins and progress from PS4 to Xbox? Well, let's delve right into it.
Can you directly transfer data?
Let's kick things off with a straightforward answer. No, you can't directly transfer skins and progress from a PS4 to an Xbox. Sony and Microsoft use different systems and infrastructures for their gaming consoles, and they do not support a direct transfer of game data between them.
What about cross-platform games?
Although you can't directly transfer data, there's some good news for fans of cross-platform games. Many modern games such as Fortnite, Call of Duty, and Rocket League offer cross-platform progression. These games often allow you to link your gaming account, like your Epic Games account for Fortnite, to multiple platforms. Once your accounts are linked, your game progress, skins, and other items will be synchronized across all platforms. In other words, if you buy a skin or complete a level on PS4, you will see it when you log into the same game on your Xbox.
How to use cross-platform progression?
In most cross-platform games, you'll need to create a game-specific account. For example, in Fortnite, you would create an Epic Games account. Here are the general steps. 1. Create an account with a game developer or platform, like Epic Games for Fortnite or Activision for Call of Duty. 2. Link your PS4 and Xbox accounts to this new account. 3. Log into the game on both platforms using this account. Your progress and purchases should now be synchronized. Always remember to check if your game supports cross-platform progression before assuming you can transfer skins or progress. To wrap things up, while it's not possible to directly transfer skins and progress from PS4 to Xbox, many modern, cross-platform games do offer an option to sync your progress across different platforms. This feature can greatly enhance your gaming experience if you frequently switch between consoles. Hopefully, this video was helpful in answering your question, and as always, keep gaming.